So we're baking right now, and this is what we're gonna make: Christmas crack. It's like Ritz crackers with chocolate, and then it like hardens, and you break it apart and eat it.
We've never made it before, so we're gonna try it.
Yeah.
And we'll show you it when we're done with it.
We'll go in there. That's the problem. I think that's about as big as it'll go in there. See? All the batteries fell out when I moved. We're lining the full with the crackers. That's the first thing you do.
Here's the crackers, and we just showed the other ingredients that were out here.
You have to line it like to that tightly.
Yeah, really, that's really all there is to this right now.
So now to make the sauce, we put butter and brown sugar in this pan, and then salt, I think.
Is that all you want me to film right now?
Yes.
Okay, I didn't know.
There again. So now we're melting the chocolate in the microwave.
I'm supposed to put a cup of these in there. We're just using these chocolate chips.
They're done now, and we're putting them in the refrigerator to set up. We're gonna eat them this afternoon.
Yes. No. Quit being awkward in front of people. It won't zoom when you're filming. It won't zoom.
I'm uncomfortable now.
It won't zoom.
So we're walking
at the park. It's kind of cold.
Yeah, we're at the park. There's the water. Please show it.
Yeah. The trees were really bare just a couple of weeks ago. It was like
some fall pictures here, and they
really
were pretty leaves.
Yeah.
And
now it's just all bare.
All the leaves are falling on the ground now. Look. This is my walking outfit. This is my walking outfit. Hey, look.
Yep.
And it's cold.
Walking.
Right? It's cold.
It's like 40.
Y'all out a little bit further. You should show more of the water.
To me, that's really cold.
Yeah, to us, that. What's my hands in there?
Kelly, film her.
Wait, I gotta flip it.
It won't zoom.
It won't zoom. Why won't it zoom? It'll zoom if you do it like that.
Yeah.
But to me, this is
like this video if you like cozy socks.
And when you look at the condition of it, that might be.
Who doesn't like cozy socks?
I really love cozy socks.
Walking through the halls, you can't help but notice all
Basic
the
girl,
people
winter staple.
Your ex-husband shot.
There.
I don't know what to do with my hair. It's going to be so red. Don't record me. It's my plate.
Shiver just came in. So we're just gonna this is gonna be like the end of this video. We're going to show our
We're not really any
Christmas decorations.
Show these.
So yeah, here's our tree. Kelly's being weird, and
I'm just standing here.
Yeah, here's our tree. It's like a retro theme. It's red and aqua.
I really wanted to do like a full tour of the Christmas decorations, so I want to flip the camera. But I'm wearing this Christmas t-shirt right now. It just has a Christmas tree on it. I don't look very good right now because I haven't put on any makeup all day. Let's flip the camera and show all the decorations. I want to show some of the other ones besides just the tree. some of like the pictures that we have on the wall for Christmas.
So yeah, like I said, our trees are retro theme. And then we have this red and white tree skirt.
Here's one of our Christmas pillows. We used to do like a candy thing. It was pink, but now we switched to this one. And it's more of like a classic Christmas. I'm just showing some of the individual like ornaments. We've been doing this theme for like 2 years, right?
Yeah.
And this, we just got this ornament this year. And I like this bow. And on top of the TV, we have these.
And here are our stockings. And then this picture, there's like a retro Santa. And then this other picture on the wall.
I think that's really all. So I guess that's the end of this
Yeah.
Vlogmas.
So, bye.